To clean the lenses on Eufy C10, first of all, you will need to grab yourself some kind of a cloth fabric, or you can use a paper towel as well. But when it comes to any chemistry that you can use to clean those lenses, I wouldn't recommend anything that has a alcohol. For example, window cleaners, as they may strip a paint, or it's just not good. I have a better way. I just prefer to use something like a LCD screen cleaner, flat screen cleaner, and etc. So if you can buy yourself something like that, and then start cleaning your sensors. So we have 3 of them on the bottom side of our robot right here. One is right here, another one right here, and another one right there. Now we're gonna spray some of that cleaning solution on our fabric, and then we can try to swipe them carefully, not to scratch them. Next sensor that we should be cleaning is on the front, and that's your main sensor, as you can see right there. So you can also grab the same thing with a cloth and cleaning solution and just swipe on it until it's clean. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.